the healthiest product you can prepare at home in just a few minutes. There's no need to buy expensive supplements from the pharmacy when you can make it yourself using the healthiest oil in the world, flaxseed oil. This is why this cheese spread is called Omega-3 butter. Combining flaxseed oil with white cheese brings incredible health benefits. Many people have regained their health with this combination. Start by preparing 250 grams of cottage cheese. You can use low-fat cheese or cream cheese, also known as croca. You'll also need cold-pressed flaxseed oil, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Add 1 teaspoon of flaxseed oil to the cheese and blend. Then add another teaspoon. Flaxseed oil combats inflammation, prevents cardiovascular diseases, and supports cancer treatment. Gradually add more teaspoons of oil, totaling 7. Once all the teaspoons of oil are added, blend the mixture for 5 more minutes. This is a crucial secret for achieving the right consistency and extraordinary properties. When the butter is ready, you can season it with salt and pepper. Use this omega-3 butter as a spread for bread or enjoy it on its own. Sprinkle it with chives for extra flavor. Omega-3 butter helps with depression, hypertension, and even diabetes. It's an exceptional product for your health. This pink drink contains natural ingredients. It's a homemade antibiotic for just a few pennies. It's proven to help fight colds, strengthens the body, and protects against infections. Peel 1 red onion and slice it. Onion has antibacterial properties and helps clear the upper respiratory tract. Then, chop a piece of ginger. Combined with onion, it soothes coughs and sore throats. Also, chop 1 clove of garlic, a natural antibiotic. Take 1 fresh lime and slice it. Lime has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Add all the ingredients to a pot in order. Onion helps treat coughs, ginger warms and soothes the throat. Garlic acts like an antibiotic, and lime helps treat upper respiratory issues. Add 2 cinnamon sticks. This spice effectively soothes sore throats and persistent coughs. Pour in 2 cups of water and turn on the stove. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer it covered for 15 minutes. Then strain and pour it into a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey to the cooled drink. It's recommended to drink a glass of this twice a day for 1 week. It will not only help with colds, but also improve overall health, supporting the body and fighting various illnesses. Flourless bread. Its baking method is quite surprising. Start by placing 500 grams of cottage cheese into a bowl. Next, add 40 grams of flax seeds. Also pour in 300 grams of oats. Add pumpkin seeds. Add a tablespoon each of baking powder and salt. Take 3 large eggs, crack them, and add them to the mixture. This will help create the perfect consistency. Then, blend the mixture into a fairly smooth mass using a blender. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients with the blender. Finally, add pumpkin seeds. Spread the dough on a baking mat, shape it into a loaf, and transfer it to a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake the bread at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. After that time, the bread is ready. Its crust is perfectly crispy, and the cottage cheese is completely undetectable. Once cooled, store the loaf in a jar to keep it fresh. Enjoy a healthy, high-fiber snack. Combine milk with vinegar. There's no better way. The ingredient list is not long, and the preparation is also very simple, though it requires a bit of patience. Take a fairly large pot and pour 1.5 liters of milk into it. Heat the milk until foam appears, then pour in apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. I use apple cider vinegar exactly 3 tablespoons. Stir and cook the liquid for another 5 minutes, then remove the pot from the heat. Transfer the formed cheese curds to a strainer suspended over a bowl and gently press out the excess liquid. Then place the cheese in a cloth or another natural fabric. Let the excess liquid drain. Put the cheese in the refrigerator to cool. It tastes much better when cold. Homemade cottage cheese is a great addition to sandwiches. Take your favorite bread, slice it, and spread the cheese on top. It tastes delicious. It's worth preparing for an important family breakfast or even for a meal during the regular week.
This natural mixture cuts cough like a knife. You will stop coughing immediately, and your throat will stop hurting. It acts as a shield against the flu. Take a large orange. Cut off its end. Using a knife and a spoon, scoop out the pulp. The orange boosts the immunity of mucous membranes and seals the walls of blood vessels, preventing viruses from entering the body. It is rich in vitamin C, which makes the course of the illness milder. Take a clove of garlic. Chop it into small cubes. It contains allicin, a substance that has antibiotic properties. It soothes coughs and inflammations. Put it into the hollowed orange. Next, take a piece of ginger. Peel it and cut it into pieces. It has a warming effect, reduces low-grade fever, alleviates accompanying infection-related headaches, muscle aches, and sore throat. It thins mucus and soothes coughs. Add ginger pieces to the orange. Pour a tablespoon of honey over the mixture. It has antibacterial properties and helps to eliminate bacteria from the body faster. It has expectorant properties, aiding the process of clearing the respiratory passages. It transforms dry cough into a wet one, allowing the expulsion of mucus. Close the orange and leave it for 2 hours. When the ingredients combine, the mixture will be almost ready. Take a citrus juicer. Squeeze the orange with the mixture on it. The juicer strainer will drain the garlic and ginger pieces. Pour the mixture into a small jar. The dosage for children under 2 years old is 2 teaspoons per day. Adults can drink the entire mixture at once. A mixture for hypertension, lowering blood sugar, and regulating cholesterol levels. Just a few apples can improve parameters crucial for health, and when you add a few spices to them, such a mixture can work wonders, especially for people in middle age. Take 2 apples. They contain vitamin C, E, B group vitamins, magnesium, and potassium, which are crucial in combating hypertension. Cut them into quarters and remove the seeds. The polyphenols in apples not only help lower blood pressure, but also sugar levels. Just 2 apples a day also lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of type B diabetes. Add the sliced apples. Add 5 cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks. Cloves support insulin production in the body and lower bad cholesterol. Cinnamon, on the other hand, lowers systolic and diastolic pressure. Pour half a liter of water into a pot. Cook all the ingredients together for 10 minutes. After cooking the mixture, strain it through a sieve and let it cool. Drink at least 3 times a week in a small glass. You will quickly notice an improvement in well-being. The body will cleanse and heal itself, and cholesterol will finally be within the normal range.